Hi beauty lovers, I'm Mona Ioana. Welcome to my channel, welcome back. I'm glad you are here supporting me. Thank you so much. I hope that your new year has been awesome. I don't know if you had new year resolutions. So my new year resolution is not to have any. But whatever. So I glammed up a little bit for you today. As I have been sick and haven't done much makeup, I thought, why not? Today, what I have is Boxycharm review. I haven't done a Boxycharm review in a while. This is the only subscription box that I have. It costs $21 a month if you do month to month, or you can do bundles and you would save money on it. Let's see what's in this January Boxycharm. So the theme is Rock 2018, and it's rock and roll, which is awesome. I hope it's about smoky eye. You get, ooh, Dr. Brent, Dr. Brent, and this is Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and it gives you natural glow while blurring pores. Oh, I can't wait to use this. And it retails for $38. Oh, it has like a little tint to it. So it has a little bit of color to it, and it does feel like, you know, very smooth. Kind of makes my skin feel really soft, so I think it'll be good. Next item, it is by It Cosmetics, and it's brow powder, brow powder. Universal brow pencil, and the color they gave me is Universal Taupe, and that retails for $24. So one side is the spoolie, the other side is the pencil. It's kind of thick, but let me see. That looks like the color will work for me. It's not the creamiest pencil, but I hope it works. Already did my eyebrows, so I'm not gonna do that right now. Next thing I'm just gonna is Glam Metals by Crown palette, and this palette retails for $25. So let's check it out. I like the packaging. I like the metallic thing they have going on. It looks more fancy. I wouldn't expect it from Crown for some reason. There's a little mirror. I don't want to blind you like a guitar. The colors look like a really foil. Oh, my dog. Anywho, very nice. All of them look metallic, except this one looks matte. So everything else is metallic. I kind of wish they had more mattes, kind of mix and match. But let's see the pigmentation. Oh, this coppery one is pretty. Wow. I barely touched it. I see the red one here. What is it called? Wild thing. Oh my gosh, they're really good. Let's do this heavy metal one. It's like a metallic. And I like that they mix shades that are warm and cool. Oh wow. Okay. I like this palette. I think it has a very good pigmentation. So I can't wait to use it. Now what else we got here? Ooh. Pure Bronze and Brighter. And that retails for $34. Oh. Wow. Nice mirror in here. So you have bronzer up. Yeah, I probably would use it as a bronzer, not a contour. Get the overlay. You have the highlight, and then very peachy, actually more like coral shade blush. So let me try that. Wow. The pigmentation is off the chain. Look at this. Like a little bit goes a long way because it's insane. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is amazing pigmentation. The highlight. So blinding. Wow. All of them insane pigmented. Insane. Look at that. You gotta be very gentle with this, but summertime, whew, I'm gonna be using this palette. I just have to be careful not to overdo it because it's very potent. And I have one more thing left. This is Galactic Lip Paint, and it's $23. The color that I have here, it's a lip matte one, by the way. Posh. Oh, it's very nice color, very nude, dark nude. Yeah, that's a nice color. That's universal color. So Cool. Boxycharm, I don't know how you do this. You have packed about $150 worth of product in a little package. Keep it up. I really like my package. Boxycharm this month is about thumb up. And if you like my channel and you like what I'm showing you and you like this video, please also give me a thumb up and support me by subscribing. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!